Hello guys, Dan from EasyDrive here, and today I'm going to be showing you around the Defender 90 with Urban Fit. So let me show you around the car. So here it is. Here is the Defender 90 in Pangea Green. As you can see already, it looks a lot different to normal Defender 90s in that this is the Urban style. So we sent it off to Urban and we've got it restyled. As you can see, the bit at the front's all been changed. Different badge down there. Anything with black really, Urban have had their hands on. So the rims are different, the mud flaps are different here. Even the bit of black trim on here is all different, as well as the reflectors on the top, which are really cool at night when there's headlights being shown in your way. Really makes you stand out. So we'll go down to the front of the car first. And again, we have these LED headlights, these bold, strong headlights. Again, made that a little bit more meaner by this black trim on the outside. Going down to the rims, we've also got these all-weather tyres and these Urban rims. I love these compared to the classic Range Rover ones. They're a lot more sportier. They're still a brilliant quality as well, no expense spared. Also, this has been changed by Urban as well. We've got the British flag here, very patriotic. Now usually this is sort of like a grate, but now again it's made a little bit more unique and different. Urban's also put on this lovely side step down here for us, making it that little bit easier to get inside the cab. Again on the back, the Land Rover has been replaced by this Urban case for the spare wheel. Very nice. Of course, the badge on the back is also different from the normal Land Rover. Come standard with the 90, we've got these windows up here. Actually, I don't think that's the window on this spec. Oh, it is a window, it is. So, blacked out window on the top bit. As you can sort of see in there already. It does wonders for the interior. So we'll head on in. Inside we've got the black interior, and of course the Meridian Sound system, which is actually incredible. It's very high quality. So jumping on in. See if I can make this a bit quiet. Maybe I'll have to close the door for that. So we've got the traditional Land Rover Defender interior with the new steering wheel. Really nice feel. The gear lever right here as well. The Defender embossed onto the dash. All of this material is very hardy, easy cleanable, very rugged and strong materials all the way through the car. We've got the ClearSight mirror on the top as well. We're starting to see these in the Range Rovers now as well. Obviously it means if you've got people in the back there, heads blocking your vision, you can still easily see out the back. Or say you've got some massive, like a big box or a cow or something, we can still able to see over the back with no issue. We've also got the controls for the sunroof. So sliding panel roof. It should come all the way out for us there, beautiful. And of course there's the little side windows I was talking about earlier, which just makes that interior look a little bit more spacious. Gear stick and climate control, obviously heated and cooling seats as well. So we've also got this in the centre column, which is known as the jump seat. Now at the moment obviously it's folded down. We've got a sort of like a place to store things here. 12-volt plugs as well as USB-Cs, but also, as this is an added extra, it can be folded up to a third seat, so that's 3 seats in the front. Now I really like this because it sort of gives it that van vibe. It sort of like the working vehicle kind of vibe, having 3 people in the front. And of course there's space for their feet down here as well, with a USB-C, USB and 12-volt plug. I'll just hop out and jump in the back and show you what's in the back. The seats can be just folded down here, and then grab handle, move to the front. So 3 seats again in the back. And then you can see the dash there. We have more handles in the back as well, more speakers. Again, everything's still very solid, rugged. Some hooks up here as well. Everything's easily wipeable down, so don't be worried about ruining your interior. Cup holders down here as well, more storage area. Also got rear mounts in the back of the seat here in case you do want to add in rear seat entertainment later. More cup holders here as well. So I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around, guys. This vehicle is for sale on our Auto Trader now, so a link to that will be down in the description. Go and check it out, and of course if you've got any more information or any more specific details about this vehicle, give us a call.